Hey there, finance enthusiasts! Welcome back to the Smart Finance Hub, your go-to channel for all things money smart. Today, we've got something truly special for you, the ultimate guide to master the rules of money and becoming rich. We've gathered 10 essential rules that can transform your financial journey. Whether you're just starting out or looking to level up your money game, this guide has something for everyone. So let's dive in. Rule number 1. Keep your financial status discreet. In our capitalist society, one's social status often hinges on their income, prompting many to flaunt their earnings. However, this approach can backfire as it invites requests for favors and loans, leading to a circle of opportunists. This advice stems from personal experience. Temporary satisfaction from bragging about wealth carries a heavy future cost. Moreover, it's not solely about material possessions. Displaying affluence sends a message of superiority, alienating potential friends due to envy and resentment. So what's the alternative? Embrace humility and cherish your assets without drawing undue attention. In essence, maintaining a low profile regarding your financial success is the key to building true wealth and fostering genuine relationships. Rule number 2. Prioritize investing time over money. While many believe that money begets more money, time often proves to be a more precious resource. Allocating time to grasp concepts like personal finance, investments, and budgeting can yield substantial returns, enabling better financial decision-making and averting costly blunders. Even financial experts benefit from dedicating time to explore new investment avenues, expanding their asset base. However, there are scenarios where it's prudent to invest money, such as hiring a professional for tasks that would take too long to learn, or when time is of the essence. Generally, it's sage advice to invest time in learning before diving headfirst with your money into unfamiliar territory, ensuring a wiser approach to wealth building. Rule number 3. Think of money as a game. Just as games allow players to improve through practice, the same applies to money. Regardless of your initial skill level, continuous engagement and learning can lead to financial success. Like in chess, where moving one piece at a time is a fundamental rule, money has its own rules. Saving before spending or investing is one such rule. The beauty of the money game lies in its teachability. Once you grasp the fundamentals, you can devise your unique strategies to win. Just as inexperienced gamers can become proficient with time, anyone can enhance their financial acumen by actively participating in the money game. So if you aspire to wealth, remember that mastering the rules and developing your financial strategies are key steps in the journey. Rule number 4. Money won't resolve your insecurities. While it might be uncomfortable to acknowledge, the truth remains. Financial wealth won't magically resolve your personal doubts. The temptation to believe that an extravagant car or a grander house will earn you societal acceptance or admiration is pervasive. Yet these possessions won't nurture genuine self-worth or happiness. Why? Because money is incapable of purchasing self-esteem or genuine joy. If you continually measure your worth against others and believe you fall short, no amount of wealth can alter that perception. The sole path to conquering your insecurities is to confront them head-on, which necessitates embracing your true self and cultivating self-love. Otherwise, you'll find yourself trapped in an unending quest for material possessions that will never deliver authentic contentment. Before proceeding, please share your views on whether money can purchase self-esteem or happiness in the comments. Number 5. Money is a lifelong game. Regardless of your savings or investment acumen, the money game is ceaseless, marked by both victories and losses. The notion of financial reliance on a specific day should be discarded. While certain tasks can be automated and work hours reduced, the game itself possesses no finite conclusion. For evidence, observe the world's wealthiest individuals who persist in their endeavors despite no financial necessity. The encouraging aspect is that money need not be a source of stress or anxiety. By adopting the correct mindset, it can become a gratifying pursuit. Consider it a conquest challenge rather than adversary to vanquish. Embracing this perspective enables one to navigate the continuous flow of financial opportunities and challenges, ultimately paving the way to prosperity. Rule number 6. Knowledge is key to success. In today's highly competitive job market and challenging economy, acquiring valuable knowledge is essential. Mere accumulation of facts isn't enough. You must focus on learning skills that genuinely benefit you. Fortunately, numerous cost-effective resources are available. Free online courses cover a wide range of subjects, from basic computer science to advanced topics like web design, business, accounting, and finance. Additionally, valuable books such as The Richest Man in Babylon and Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill can be found online. Remember, every life experience offers an opportunity for growth and knowledge expansion. The more you learn, the greater your potential for financial success and helping others. Rule number 7. Surround yourself with financially savvy companions. If your goal is to generate income, aligning yourself with people who possess the knowledge and skills to do so is highly advisable. Being surrounded by financially savvy individuals typically facilitates the acquisition of valuable insights and eventually leads to your own financial gains. However, it's essential to understand that it's not as straightforward as simply approaching a wealthy person and expecting them to mentor you. Instead, the key is to establish connections with individuals who have experience and a track record of success in the financial realm. By doing so, you increase your opportunities to achieve your own financial objectives. Don't hesitate to engage and connect with those who exhibit financial competence. It could mark the initial step towards your own path to financial prosperity. Rule number 8. Seizing opportunities in times of crisis. The 2008 Great Recession serves as a poignant example. This period brought immense hardship, with countless individuals losing jobs, homes, and lifelong savings. Amidst these trials, opportunities emerge. Those who recognized and seized them found a chance to accumulate substantial wealth. It's often overlooked that economic crisis can spawn exceptional wealth creation. When the stock market plummets and panic triggers widespread selling, astute investors can scoop up shares at rock-bottom prices. This strategy positions them to profit handsomely when the market eventually rebounds. Rule number 9. Acknowledging the escalation of expenses with age. Over the years, your spending tends to rise due to factors like inflation and a desire for more refined taste and a better quality of life. This natural inclination to seek improvement drives us to work harder and earn more money. But it's important to acknowledge that each year, expenses tend to grow. It's not just the impact of inflation on the cost of living. Our desire for more possessions also plays a role as we compare ourselves to others. Consequently, many end up working longer hours to afford these desires. To avoid getting trapped in this cycle, it's crucial to be vigilant and take preventive measures to align your income with your rising expenses. Rule number 10. Skip first class, invest wisely. The next crucial rule for achieving wealth is to avoid flying first class. Many individuals spend exorbitant amounts, like $2,000 or $3,000 on a first-class flight, when a $300 ticket would suffice. Is it truly worth the premium? Consider this scenario. If you travel approximately 8 times annually, spending $2,000 each time on a first-class ticket would tally up to $16,000 annually. Instead, investing that $16,000 in a new business venture could yield far greater returns over time. For those with existing businesses, it could be used to hire additional staff or for financial education to enhance money management skills. Opting for economy class may involve temporary discomfort, but you'll still reach your destination. Ultimately, your financial decision should prioritize long-term gains. And there you have it, the ultimate guide to master the rules of money and becoming rich. Mastering these 10 rules of money provides a roadmap to financial prosperity. Each rule offers a unique perspective on how to navigate the complex world of personal finance, guiding you toward a life of abundance and security. By embracing these principles, you can cultivate a prosperous future for yourself and your family. Remember, the journey to financial success is a marathon, not a sprint. Keep applying these principles and watch your wealth grow. Thank you for joining us today on the Smart Finance Hub. If you found this video valuable, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insightful content on financial success. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments section below. What's your top tip for mastering the rules of money?